Soning koi akimang aputhak Assam University Difu Campus Teacher Association to protest really pado. Tumon ke the ajok botha langsu chucha hawar arada tum kisung kechakna. Isamwet arwi ke jangpen langhin orong sepi palang dipla. Kardom morning our news long penili birda thanbang thare harmony be non bertang ton pen arjik tha Assam University Difu Campus Teacher Association pen jami sirkap arni Difu Campus alo protest rally pado. Protest rally along padar dipin pen association antum soning koi akimang pacu nangji pusi chesong pon pinpur alo Difu Campus along MPhil PhD kachali abar site pado nangji lapen tribal study center binangji prabjin pen data operator woreng abar site pinangji Assam University along Difu Campus abarim than bangaphan Assam University along parlo nangji haihui akimang pinpur alo long Difu Campus Pro Chancellor aphan epak pinpur alo pajir pusi AUDCTA akonchin bang Willy Dhanaraju ferangke aphan than pachini.
In the month of December, almost 3 months completed. So, in Charter of Demand, there are 20 demands which are all which are relevant to the development of this campus in general, and particularly some development of the departments. So, very interestingly, our authority, Assam University, has not been responding to our demands. So that is why today, 2 days back, we submitted the reminder letter to the authority. Though we have not received any kind of response from them, it seems that they have a lot of exclusion towards exclusion kind of atrocities towards Difu campus. It is highly questionable, highly condemnable. So though we are minority in Difu campus, but we have our rights. You have been working, though you don't have minimum facilities, minimum human rights, even you don't have water facility, you don't have medical facility, you have so many kind of problems. Still we are working for the development of this campus, but there is no such kind of cooperation from Silchar and authority of Difu campus. So that is why today we have taken up the rally to fulfill our genuine demands.
Wothalang so hawar along jami puni phaisir kep arni tili hini rajiti mapor hut wothalang so pen che koina chucha hawar along tomon ke the ajok pen anarat tum chu echu sampen anparta hemrit kan hok do olo pusikar news along berta nangli tomon ke the aphong do piglo bonta sarkar hin pen lahai hemrit kan hok pen denglok ason kachu ekachu som kan hok aputhak nanglang jima nanglang lema ku kisum ke pora tum pherangke angno chunung ridun Pinpur dame Karbiang Autonomous Council along kachari ke theke ding MSc EM CM atum along ke plang gi phi adim along ke jui dam ka humri dam aputhak ke mobile watch app along ke plang bom lo bonta kisung ke phodet arara phan ke rap aputhak ke pini arni anta theklong lelang pusi kisung ke phara tum than bachini du Karbiang long along rong supiang bong ke langhinta isilo ke dam tang 2016 anekan CM tuliram rong hang pensi laso hitike rong supi pu hokpon lo
Sitame pini arni anta kuan ma kaching thurdun nangji la soteng ching thurdun thek thedadlo rong supi arlo mesen pen kachlenga tawar kawet detta isilo esamvet arike janganta rong supi along palangbi plaktiti lapuson arike jang chimbit me pen pulote anso sesi langroi ason mandetpo lasila soputhak town committee atum pen sai kedeng ponsi kime pusi ongrung aratum tuning ripon pado
non malom sopor phandina phaman berta mungton poniksina
Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge, HRSJ Complex, 2nd floor, Dharamnala Road, Difu, Karbi Anglong. The first and ever sports lounge in town. Tune you up with live music, dead to inject, jam pad, and pool game, where you can play with friends or play with legends, along with seafood items like octopus, lobster, prawns, squid, tuna fish, and many more are available only at Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge. For reservation, contact 9957381813 or 8638462619 or 8812998125. Please make your visit in AL Exotics showroom. It's time to replenish your garden with different kinds of exotic plants. Various kinds of exotic plants, PE pots, gift items, and more accessories for both indoor and outdoor are available here. AL Exotic Showroom near Esser Petrol Pump, Difu Karbi Anglong. Aturkimi Outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্জ জুচ বাই দি ৱেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্জ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্জ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
कांच जूस।
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Wait lagi. Ahiring tangrak anlo. Ong dunga tuma pran kedam ta du uta haipo.
Nonjong itong geham bich kimchi phansi ji tham bom lo. Nongi pray to duk lo.
Nilita hemgimi kimbomlo sita lahalamen asapta nili mathate athema nili hemalon extra kipidundo athe nili hemgi kimalonge tata discount SD bar pensi kimponlo
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texture a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selam Ponlo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason Selam Pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang Theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamopi putar bertalong wangtholo West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee penchapatir piponsi jangmi poni phaisir kep ani dongkamokam RBCC asa hema thengno along ada por phaisir kep apor pen ani kangsam por phai pli apor an chuche junje kachesong padupon
Lobang so kachisong pon along West Karbi Anglong constituency sirkep MCC amai phu chunbang pen chenglok pen an armuche tongdun pini alang litu pen bang so kachisong asai kedeng ponang kok lake non kedobom council kachari pon BJP sarkar atum methang akhai ST aphan apharlo kachajor la pen ST kota doko phita aphan kapajong puthaksi kachisong padoponang kok loposi ningje kedam tang jangmi poni phai hini ari Karbi Anglong pen Nagaland ahoy along longli kajor kanghu puthaksi dame pini WKA DCC amai phu sarte kram saben sodak pen pin rem Atheke non ke dobom Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke chari pon ke theke dinga tum thangna ta RDP pedet pusi alang lipen akoi pipon methang along rilong pada potha Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kelang pon akapang kriya pothak WKA DCC hin pen sodak pen pin rem pon pini choche junje kachesong ajai megalong WKA DCC Vice President Wilson Teron APCC member la pen WKA DCC Vice President Singh Teron WKA DMCC President Bimola Timungpi RBCC President Robindra Rongphar Damian Hanse Amren constituency atum chetongdun Kat News of Herang ke hundor krola pen bibraning hin ang kilobirta
Karbi akhe ke phi phlang jutang jubat mate ang the kaching boji akrong sidam bom lupu chethan sai apor hochisi inur arta ke jum heklang anim su pipen ajok Karbi khe kopai ke me mate khe ang thek kerai ang sai kedeng pon
Arta ki jum ahir bang pi lun barim lun sepi ke phir ke thak abang pi la pen Karbia ron barim temo phorgimo apotha kiriketar lipen chenglok karbia khayang thek kepathir jia bangphi hunmili hansipi pen rong asar pimar lapen nimso pimar angmong chingki chethan lawang sonim sopi om swaya hawar rapadang hansia ro amikar LP school athan bang sarte hansi lapen sang BP asupi hunmili hansipi arta ningkan trainer camp alangli nonamat Guwahati Handy Girls College along student alangli science stream pen HS second year Charlie Ponbam hutsi karbia khay jutang apothak research panbom
abong bihok chupo itu memang la horta bang pen mede apa non ba la don rap chupa mi hut la son chipa jio titik
la ka hok pe ke munis ke salam odi
la british arni hut la bang ke
Ove kimi literature atum angbong pen alang lita inotlo patumi card news of herang ke biren inghia hem along rong sar pi la pen asar pi mar la pen nimso pi mar mati okor jang atum pen isi jingke jethan amai padopon hunmili hansi pi ke do mate khai kimia tuma phan mena karbia khai ke nang sara phorkimo katar lip jia phan apor chipinang ji la pen ove bare matumalong phu pia phuruna tumalong pati bogdun pen lambarim lunbarim temo barim kabirti dun chia phan pachini pon
Morning News Bengal Pansikang Ton Pon Iglon Lang Bontakat News Channel Dumi Thangme Kurwang Thu